Hello everyone, Namaskar. SRBPS is welcoming you for online classes. Today I Kirti going to take your general knowledge class, and in this class I am going to take some question answers with multiple choice answers, and after telling the answers I will give explanation why that answer is correct. Why that answer is correct. Now I am, would you like to see that PPT? Would you like to see that? Yes, very interesting. I'll show you pictures also. I'll tell you why that answer is correct, why other answers are incorrect. I'll tell you each and everything. Now let's start for the PPT. Yes, this is your PPT, and now the first slide is of just introduction, general knowledge. This is your subject name. Then today's topic, what we have to cover in this: question answers with multiple choice answers. Multiple choice answer means there are four options of one question, and then you will tell the correct answer from those four options, and I will tell you the explanation of that answer, why that answer is only correct. Clear everyone? Now next move to second slide. Let's move to second. Yes, this is your second slide. Question answers. Question answers. As I already told you that we will do question answers in this topic. Now the first question is, which is the tallest animal in the world? World means puri dunya. Yes, now the four options are: A. Elephant, B. Giraffe, C. Ostrich, D. Zebra. Now you will tell which animal is tallest. Tallest means सबसे लंबा. पूरे वर्ल्ड में सबसे लंबा एनिमल कौन सा है out of these four options. Clear? Yes, this is your next slide, and the answer of that question is giraffe. Answer of that question is giraffe. Now let's go for explanation. Males can grow up to 18 feet 5.5 meters tall. Females can reach 14 feet 4.3 meters tall, and their babies called calves. Calves are born 6 feet 1.8 meters tall. Males giraffe can grow up to 5.5 meters, and females giraffe can reach their height up to 14 feet, and the babies of giraffes are called calves. Babies of giraffes are called calves, and calves can born up to 6 feet. 6 feet. 6 feet is their height. Clear? 1.8 meters tall, and they can grow up to 1.8 meters tall. This is about their heights. Calves can grow up to inch in a day. This means एक दिन में जो काव्स हैं वो 1 इंच तक बढ़ते हैं. दिस मीन्स, एंड दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ जिराफ. दिस इज द पिक्चर ऑफ जिराफ. Now come to next slide. Question number 2. Now what is the question? Which is the fastest animal on the land? Fastest means their speed. वो कौन सा एनिमल लैंड पर सबसे तेज दौड़ता भागता है? Now the options are mouse, no, rabbit, snake, and the last one is cheetah. Now let's see which is the correct answer. चलो देखते हैं next correct answer क्या है. Now let's go to next slide. Yes, this is your next slide. Correct answer is cheetah. cheetah जो है वो सबसे तेज भागता है. Now the explanation. This is the picture of cheetah. Cheetah can reach 70 miles, mph. Mph, full form of mph means miles per hour. Miles per hour to 110 mph in just 3 seconds. सिर्फ 3 seconds में चीता इतनी दूरी तक भागता है, इतनी तेज भागता है. चीताज कैन नॉट क्लाइंब ट्रीज. चीता जो है वो पेड़ पे नहीं चढ़ सकते. क्लाइंब मीन्स चढ़ना. एंड हैव पुअर नाइट विजन. और ये रात को जो है वो अच्छे से नहीं देख पाते. रात में ये अच्छे से नहीं देख पाते. नेक्स्ट इज चीताज आर ओनली बिग कैट दैट कैन नॉट रोर. चीताज सिर्फ एक ऐसी बड़ी cat means बिल्ली. meow meow. these are only look like a cat. ये as a big cat की तरह होती हैं. and that cannot roar. roar means दहाड़ना. जैसे शेर दहाड़ते ना, like this. they cannot roar. ये roar, ये दहाड़ नहीं सकते. clear everyone? this is the picture of cheetah. चीता लुक्स लाइक अ बिग कैट. ये एक बिग मतलब बड़ी बिल्लियों की तरह होते हैं. और ये ट्रीज, दे कैन नॉट क्लाइंब द ट्रीज एंड दे हैव पुअर नाइट विजन. ये रात में ये अच्छे से नहीं देख सकते. विजन मीन्स इनकी जो देखने की क्षमता होती है वो अच्छी नहीं होती. क्लियर एवरीवन? Now the next slide is question number 3. Now we come to question number 3. Now the question number 3 is, which is largest bird on the land? Land means धरती. धरती पे सबसे बड़ी पक्षी. बर्ड मीन्स पक्षी. पक्षी, सबसे बड़ा पक्षी कौन सा है? on the land, which is the largest. largest means सबसे बड़ा. bird means पक्षी. सबसे बड़ी पक्षी कौन सी है? now see the options. first option is A, eagle. चील. eagle means चील. B, peacock. peacock means more. C, ostrich. and D, vulture. now let's see what is the correct answer. now let's go to next slide. let's go to next slide. this is your next slide, and yes, the answer of that question is, which is the largest bird on the land? correct answer is ostrich. ostrich. speak with me. ostrich. ostrich. now this is the picture of ostrich. please see the picture carefully. please see the picture carefully. this is the picture of ostrich. now let's read some facts about ostrich. now the first point is, they can grow 9 feet tall. ये 9 feet तक लंबे हो सकते हैं. they can grow, बढ़ सकते हैं up to 9 feet. now question number 4. this question says, which insect smells from its leg? which insect smells from its leg? leg means पैर. कौन सा insect, insect means कीड़े मकोड़े, कौन सा insect अपने पैरों से, स्मेल्स मीन्स सूंघना, इंसेक्ट स्मेल्स करते हैं अपने लेग से. नाउ द ऑप्शंस आर बटरफ्लाई, बी कॉकरोच, सी हनी बी, डी ग्रास होपर. नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर आंसर. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू नेक्स्ट स्लाइड एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट इज द करेक्ट आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. now this is your next slide. now answer of this question is butterfly. answer of this question is butterfly. Butterflies, this is the picture of butterfly. Now the explanation. Butterflies are insects. Butterflies means तितलियाँ are वो insects who can smell through their feet, जो अपने पैरों से स्मेल करती हैं. बटरफ्लाइज वो इंसेक्ट हैं जो अपने पैरों से स्मेल करती हैं. Now the next fact is about the butterfly. Another good example, एक और एग्जाम्पल है द ऑफ एन एनिमल. अब ये किसके बारे में? एनिमल के बारे में, नॉट फॉर एन इंसेक्ट. अब कौन सा एनिमल है दैट कैन स्मेल थ्रू, जो कि अपने पैरों से सूंघ सकता है, स्मेल कर सकता है. एंड द आंसर ऑफ दैट वन इज ऑक्टोपस. Octopus is one of an animal that smells from their feet, जो अपने feet से smell कर सकता है. Now this is all about butterfly. Butterfly. Yes. Now let's go to next slide. Now let's go to next slide. Yes, this is your next slide and this is the last question of your class. Question number 5. Question number 5. Now the question says, what are the young ones of frogs called? Frogs के बच्चों, young ones means babies. Frogs mean young ones means baby. Frogs means मेंढक. मेंढक के बेबीज को हम क्या बोलेंगे? नाउ लेट्स गो फॉर ऑप्शंस. फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज टेडपोल्स, बी सेकेंड ऑप्शन इज किड, सी थर्ड ऑप्शन इज काफ, एंड डी last option is kitten. Now what is the correct answer of this question? What is the question? I am repeating again. You have to tell me the young one of frogs. Frogs के babies को क्या बोलेंगे? Children, now see, look. Babies of humans. Humans के babies को हम क्या बोलते हैं? Says as only babies. What we say cows baby. Cow के baby को क्या बोलेंगे? As a calf. Now similar to that, we'll say frogs baby dash. Frogs babies. Frogs young ones. We'll say them. Now let's see the answer in your next slide. Yes, this is your next slide and the last slide of your class, and the answer of that question is tadpoles. Young ones of frogs is tadpoles. जो frogs होते हैं, जो मेंढक होते हैं, उनके babies को हम will say them as a tadpoles. This is the picture of frog. Frog looks like this, and this is the picture of tadpole. Tadpole looks like this. The tadpole is a baby of frog. Tadpole is a baby of frog. Tadpole is a young ones of frogs. जो tadpoles हैं वो young ones होते हैं frogs के. Now this is all about your today's class. These 5 questions you will learn it properly. Read twice and see the pictures carefully. You will see these pictures carefully and remember that you will just learn these questions. Yes beta, this is all about your general knowledge class. Now I am going to count all the slides. 1, this is first slide, second, third, fourth, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th and 11th. Right? There are 11 slides. You will learn all the question answers properly with spellings. You have to learn all the things and you will see the pictures carefully. Please see pictures carefully remember these pictures and learn the facts given to you about these animals. Right, everyone? Now, this is the question number 1. There are 5 questions in these slides. This is question number 1, then this is question number 2, then this is question number 3, then this is question number 4, then this is question number 5, and this is the last slide of today's topic. This is the last slide of today's topic. Now you have to learn these questions and remember the pictures which I have given to you and learn the facts given to these. Some explanations are given to you. Please read these explanations carefully and remember these explanations, right? And remember these explanations. Now this is all about today's class. Please be safe, eat healthy and nutritious food, and drink lots and lots of water. Now thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned with us. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.